How's it going, everybody? This is TC once again. I'm going to try something a little different here. I'm going to open a box of Discovery Season 1. Now, I haven't opened a box of cards in a long, long time, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully, it says there's 2 autographs in every box, so hopefully we'll get some good ones. Now, what I want to do, let me adjust this a little bit so we can see the box a little better. Here we go. That's probably pretty good. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully, I can get 1 or 2 of the main characters. Jeez. Okay, what's holding this up? There we go. I think what I'll do is just take, well, we'll do them one at a time. And I'm going to open these with a pair of scissors, so it'll be a little quicker. And let me get this zoomed out a little bit. Let's see what we get here. Hopefully something good. Like I said, I haven't done this in a long time. Well, it ain't been that long. Maybe 2-3 years, something like that. I think the last box I opened was the Women of Star Trek. I did get a couple autographs out of that, or 1 anyway. Okay. Oh, here we go. There's 1. Let's see what it is. Claire McDonnell. Okay. Cool card. Well, these are some thick cards. I didn't think they'd be that thick. I'm not sure how they put these in here, so I'm assuming, okay, so they're in the same row. That's not real smart. This one is Jeremy Crittenden. Okay, so that's the 2 autographs. Now, I don't know what else is in here as far as inserts go. I imagine there's probably something else in these. That's the one I was trying to hoping to get was her, but it's alright. I got her on a Walking Dead card. Yeah. Yeah, I really didn't think these were that thick of cards. These are almost like, almost thick as Flair. The old Flair. Hopefully I'll get a set of cards out of this. I picked the lowest number box I had. It's number 1437 out of 6,000. Guess that wasn't a great pick. Should have picked a higher number, I guess. But that's alright. Don't know if there were any sketch cards in this or not. Probably are. Most of the card sets, Star Trek sets in the last few years have had sketch cards inserted in them. I haven't watched this show. I think season 1 is the only season I watched of this, so I thought it was pretty decent. Okay, what is this one? Discovery, okay. That is a number E7, so that is an insert. I figured there'd be something else in here besides just 2 autograph cards. Now the music in the background is the animated show. The reason I did that is because I'm pretty sure that it won't get blocked. Okay, what is this one? That's another insert. This is, looks like part of a puzzle. Huh, okay. It's different. Get these going the right way, don't mess up. Be a lot easier to put them together. I didn't have any other background handy that's Star Trek related, so I just grabbed a couple. God darn, this one's in there good. I grabbed 2 Star Trek scripts I've got. Wow, that's tight. Woo. Oh, I see, it's got something in there. That's why it's so tight. What is this? This is, oh, the mirror deal. Lorca. I remember him. He was in one of the last few episodes. It's the M5. That's probably a good card right there. Didn't really care for the character, but if I get another one, I'll know what it is because it's so tight to get them out of that pack. At least me opening this box, there won't be any spoilers for any of the other seasons because I've only watched season 1, so that's pretty cool. I do plan, I've got them on my computer, all of them, but I just haven't watched them yet. Huh. Okay, so far so good. We've got 5 inserts. This guy was really tall. I forget his name, but he's got to be every bit of 7 foot tall. Okay. Okay, get this one going here. My scissors are a little bit dull. Oh. Okay, there we go. Some of the characters I don't remember what their names are. It's been so long since I saw this. Basically, I saw it the same year that it came out, so. There we go. Here's something different. Makeup, Star Trek Discovery, behind the scenes. Okay. See what number this is. Number, looks like B7. So that's cool. Imagine there's probably, if that's not the last one, there might be one more. We've only got 3 or 4 packs left here. Okay, here's another behind the scenes card. Neat looking card. That is number 11. Not sure how many there might be in that set. I guess 15 minimum. I'm not seeing a lot of doubles, so that's a good sign of making a set. I never really cared for these 24 packs. I'm used to the old days when it was 36 to a box, and sometimes 48 if it was Comic Images. Yeah, I think Comic Images, something like that. That guy, I remember him. Okay, down to the last two here. Boy, this one's tight also. And there's another good one in here. Let's see. Guess not. Okay, one more pack. Now, if I do get a set out of this, I will do a video of it. I don't even know how many are in the actual set. Well, that's a messed up on that one. I hope there's a double of that card. Okay, that's it. Move them over. Show these again. And 2 autographs. There we go. Okay. Let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't. It was interesting. A little bit fun. Not as fun as I thought it would be, but that's alright. I got 5 of these boxes, so I just had to open one. It's been a while, so y'all take care, and later.